Oh yes, this is him, my friend. How are you? Oh yes, we were looking for you everywhere.
What?
Man in truck said you are Shanduli, my friend.
Man who just left, sir, you're the one, my friend.
He said you are one, my friend. Are you the one?
Are you the one, my friend?
What?
You the one, my friend?
You don't know, my friend.
You Shanduli?
Do you speak in English, my friend?
No English. Sorry.
Oh, me neither, my friend. Both of us.
Sorry.
You might want to bring an individual that speaks the English, my friend.
Or translator, my friend.
From inside.
Not today, huh, my friend?
Huh?
Maybe tomorrow.
Tomorrow what happened?
Yes, tomorrow you bring Shanduli, my friend.
Shanduli?
No.
You don't know, my friend.
Bring Shanduli.
Bring Shanduli here, my friend.
Hmm?
Mr. Shanduli, we need to talk to him.
Mr. Shanduli?
Yes, sir. Sure. Here inside. This is car.
Yes, sir.
This is car here.
This is car. Mr. Shanduli.
Or shit. Or why going around? Why go around, my friend? Why go around and around like dancing little baby everywhere? Why are you dancing? Not today.
I don't know.
Not today, my friend.
What is wrong here, my friend?
Maybe tomorrow.
Tomorrow what happened?
Maybe tomorrow Shanduli here.
Tomorrow, Mr.
Shanduli.
Yes, my friend.
Tomorrow, Mr. Shanduli.
You do not know Shanduli?
Mr. Shanduli, boom, boom, bow, bow.
Yes, my friend. This is him. This is him, my friend. Mister.
English is no good.
Or yes or no good. Mr. Shanduli inside, my friend. Call him here. Shanduli. Shanduli. I do not see.
He's left. Mr. Shanduli went inside.
No Shanduli.
Mr. Shanduli.
Mr. Shan is here.
He's here.
Mr. Shan.
We saw
Take,
him walk inside.
his friends call him Shan. His name Shanduli.
Drives vehicle. Just went inside for break.
Drives this car here.
Yes.
Big car?
We need
Yes.
the individual. Please bring.
This man involved in something, my friend. We need to
Very
talk to
good.
him
Very
right
good.
away.
Very good of you to bring him to us.
Very important.
We need to speak to him, my friend.
We are very important, my friend.
You must speak to this
We are
individual.
here to send message and we need Shanduli here now.
Shanduli, the vehicle.
Beautiful. Is.
Walk.
Yes.
Right. Shanduli, bring Shanduli.
Maybe Shanduli is his nickname on streets.
Oh, Shanduli.
Yes, my friend. No, this guy, he have very much different personality, your friend.
This is negative. Do not come this way. We are with individual now.
This one?
Oh yes, we talking to friend. Friend down the street there. Waiting for Shanduli too. Secret agent. Do not come here, secret agent. At all. We got under control, my friend.
Shanduli on his way, maybe, my friend. Hold precision south side.
South side, my friend.
Yes, sir.
Oh shit.
Bring Shanduli.
Yes, my friend.
Shanduli.
Totally fair for you to advise Shanduli to come here so we can tell him information.
I don't know you come, I don't know.
We are telling you for Shanduli for information, my friend.
Bring
Very
pen
important.
and paper. We write down.
We write down for you.
You bring pen, paper. We write down.
Tell him come here.
I call you, 9999
Yes.
119.
Yes.
119?
We
No,
write
my
down.
friend.
We write down 99.
119, my friend.
911.
Yes. 991.
119? 991.
Yeah, 911.
Yes, 991, yes.
What 911? I don't know.
Yes, 991, my friend.
Yes.
That's 991.
We need
No
Shanduli
problem.
to come out. You bring paper, pen. We write.
We tell you how to write Shanduli, my friend.
Yes. Need to speak to Shanduli.
You are not understand.
991.
You need bigger Technology, my friend. 991, my friend. Please dial 991, my friend, for
Individual does not speak English,
non-emergency
but his number
situation when you don't want anybody to come. Yes, my friend?
I want to call 911, but he does not speak English.
Or shit, helicopter again, my friend.
How
That's
they
not
gonna
true.
come here?
It is equal opportunity employment, my friend.
Yeah, it is, but you're recording a personal business that you can't just come and record from the building.
You do not
outside.
even know what to say, my friend. Why
This is
don't you
this
just
is
go
private
away?
Property right here.
You are just going to have to go away, my friend.
I don't know
Well,
what you're saying.
I'm gonna call the cops right now.
You are
My
not
friend,
going
do
to
not
call
do that,
anybody.
please.
You are going to call the police, my friend.
They might send us away.
Or no, that is not nice, my friend.
Please do not do that. My friend, please.
I'm calling.
He is
Friend, you guys can't
permanently
be
a cop
doing
Carla,
this.
my friend.
Let's go, my friend.
He is permanently cop Carla.
Yeah, that's why I'm calling. But this is private property. That's why I'm telling you guys.
You do not have the right to stop us from filming here, my friend.
Hey there, ma'am. I'm over here at Jonesboro. I work at
Or shit, my friend. What is going on here?
it's I got a group of people here just recording without permission.
Or shit, there is a group of people, you tell them. Tell them there are 10. The other 8 are on the side of the street, my friend. They are on the side. Everybody over there already.
Because they don't have permission, and this is they're inside private property.
Or shit, my friend. You lying to the police now.
No. It's just like they're I don't want to be racist.
Or this motherfucker trying to be racist now. Or shit.
The outside the building and the premises.
That is not very nice of you. Very bad attitude of this company already. They want to call us race. They wanted to be a racist against us.
Yes, because one of them's wearing ski masks. That's the only reason why.
Or no, that's not nice. It's inappropriate to wear ski mask in public. I think ski masks only have 2 holes.
Well, can I ask you why you guys recording here?
You're going to have to mind your own business, my friend.
Well, see, this is the thing though, that this is private property, and without the company consent, you cannot be recording out here.
Okay, I would like company consent then, my friend.
Well, then come on business hours and do a request.
We are filming now. We need consent right away, my friend.
already spoke to Ted, my friend.
This is
What?
plant and we are filming plant.
You spoke to Ted?
Yes, sir.
Ted who?
That is not your person.
Ted who? I would like to know because I know the managers here and the
This is
supervisors.
not a manager.
We are documenting this because you are stopping us from contract.
That wouldn't be the owner.
Yes, sir.
No, it ain't.
We have contract.
He is stockholder, 75%.
I
Now
thought
you know his owner is only 25%.
Well, how come you didn't get permission from the security guard then?
How do you not know I do not in my copy, my friend? My contract. How do you not know?
Well, you would have to ask
Right away you go into calling the cops. That is not right, my friend.
It is right because I have the right because I work here and I don't know what you guys doing here. You're suspicious,
My
especially if you're wearing a
business, not
ski
your business,
mask.
my friend.
It is because I work here.
That makes shit to me.
Well, wait until the cops get here then. They're
Nobody-
taking
we are not waiting for anybody,
We are
motherfucker.
going to run as soon as they come.
Yes, run fast. We are fast runners. We are marathon runners.
Sir,
Marathon.
Well, see, that's the thing though.
We're
If it wouldn't be something
we
illegal,
are
you wouldn't run.
exercising, my friend.
You can cry all you want to, my friend.
Exercise?
What? Like just recording outside a building with ski masks?
You are needing to
That's,
exercise yourself, my friend.
Rough.
Yeah.
Very out of shape.
How could I not know that you guys could plan a bomb or something? You know?
This mother.
Or because you are terrorists, aren't you?
are
No,
speaking
This type of
No,
behavior
Hey,
is only mentality of
I'm just worried
terrorists.
because there's more than 100 people that work in there. That's why, and I'm one of them.
He just confirmed what I done told you.
Oh yes, I told you he was going to say this.
Exactly what he said. Exactly what I told you, my friend. That is who works here.
Or shit, my friend. They have this mentality that they
You're
was
saying
going
that
to
you're
do
gonna run,
something.
so how do you expect me not to think that you consent
Because
to
we
people like
are
that?
exercising, my friend. When you exercise, there is running involved.
But that's not you're not exercising. You got a camera and equipment that looks.
We are out
This is the
just
way we
walking with the
exercise.
breeze, my friend.
You've never seen somebody with weights? Or a
These are
vest with arms on?
exercising equipment, my
But that's
friend.
not that to me looks suspicious. That's why.
Very much 10
Look,
pounds
you
each
put a
hand.
vest in your hand in your pocket.
No,
Stick
you know
your
what?
hand out of your
You know what?
pocket.
You know what this is? This is something to keep me warm. But I
This
don't
is
have
10
anything
pounds,
inside.
my
I do not
friend.
know that.
This is 10 pounds.
You look
This
to
is
me
10
more
pounds.
suspicious without
20
it.
pounds
Put
walking,
your hand in your
exercise.
pocket. I do
Oh.
not know what you have.
I don't have nothing.
I do not.
Let's see. I can,
No,
I can
motherfucker.
Show me your face.
No, I don't think
That
so,
could be- That way
motherfucker.
I'd be able
There
to
is
take a picture.
pandemic. There is pandemic, my friend.
You are violating so many policies right now.
Oh, really?
Yes,
sir.
my friend.
You're violating our culture, our rights.
Everything is
All
involved
rights.
here.
What am I violating? Just
Everything
asking
is
you to
involved.
show me
We
your
got contract to film here, and you are wasting our time. You are wasting our time, sir. You need to move from the picture.
Oh, I'm gonna get your license plate. That's for sure.
That is no problem. License plate is for
that
vehicle
under,
for purpose.
that vehicle on the left hand side from here.
Yes. Armando?
Oh, his name Armand.
It's out there, Armando.
No, they're still here. Two.
Or shit, he said first he said group. First he said group. Now only two. Group is 3 or more.
Abdullah.
We got schemas, girl. You know with our late 40s. You lie.
Chandula.
The other one's wearing looks like blue and
Chandula.
Tell him Shandula, my friend.
Chanduli.
Don't be calling me names on your
You are Shandula or Shanduli.
Chanduli.
Every Shanduli will say this is Shandula here.
Chanduli.
Acting like Shandula is not appropriate, my friend.
This Chanduli, this Chanduli.
He is like this much Shanduli, my friend.
Oh, yes, okay. This
Very
Chanduli.
small Shanduli.
Oh,
Yeah.
I bet you down there he is Shanduli as well.
very small Chanduli.
Very. And I guarantee you that underneath they are also very Shanduli, my
Yes,
friend.
sir.
They got the lights on my face and things. I'd already take some pictures.
You do not have permission to stand here and stare at our cameras.
You are in the way of shot.
You are in the way of shot, my friend. We are trying to
We
document
are
this.
going to charge you by the hour.
I bought stamp today, my friend. I bought it.
This is
Motherfucker.
from
Don't
Ted.
be flipping me off, dude.
Motherfucker, I
This
just I
motherfucker
did
I'm not
this.
disrespecting
disrespecting
know
you,
about
so,
that.
so quit it, please.
I did it here.
Yes, no.
I did it here. I already bought this.
I don't know.
Motherfucker.
Just get some.
At the post office, sir.
Chanduli.
At the post office.
Chanduli.
What's that? Asensio.
Oh, you get a last name or Corsason or something?
Eso.
Corsason, sir.
Armando.
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 We speak Ted.
Corsason.
This guy,
Armand.
some individual, give in name. And
Oh shit. More coming.
oh, shit.
More here.
Get
Yeah.
license plate.
I don't know.
Who is this guy here? Who is this guy here?
Private property.
What are your problem, my friend?
What is wrong with you, my friend?
What is wrong with you, my
What
friend?
is wrong with you?
Or shit.
Armando, put mask on now. License plate
Yes.
7TFY893.
License plate already.
License plate.
He is out here not wearing mask out here in public while
Because
working
I'm outside the
hours.
company. Now I'm gonna go back in.
Working hours. You
This
see him.
individual
I'm
now
already
just
going
said.
back in.
He
so-
just said when he leaves this job,
See,
he does
it's
not
already time
follow
for me to go
protocol.
back into work.
Not
He does not
following
follow
any type
protocol
of
when he leaves this
protocol.
company.
Hey,
Violation.
I'm already outside the building.
Violation.
I gotta go back into work.
Violation.
Put it on. You guys aren't
Violation.
Alright.
Violation. Out here in private property.
Alright. I don't think so. You're violation me.
Violation,
I'm not
mate.
violating you.
You're violation me, my
Put that on
friend.
me. So there you go. And I didn't appreciate that because I was over there in the car and you recorded me when I was inside
Who's
the
gonna
car.
get the license
You
plate?
cry. You cry like baby.
Plate.
Oh, where's your car?
You're crying like baby, my friend.
Get your license plate.
That's no problem, my friend.
You said that one over there and that one, that
This
one over
one
there.
on left hand side, my friend, I said.
Yeah.
It is this one right here, my friend. Look. Look here. This is license plate.
Look in here.
You are going to run like cry. We have contract.
We have contract.
We have contract to film here.
Contract to film.
You cannot violate contract.
We have contracts from to that.
And Bill.
You never asked to see contract.
Also Bill. Bill and Ted.
Oh yes. Hardcore dude.
It was very excellent meeting Bill and Ted, and now they are acting like bunch of jerks. Yes.
May I have your title, please?
Excuse me?
Title.
His
where
jacket
you
says
coming from?
visitor.
Oh, visitor?
Yes, visitor
Where you
only.
coming from?
This is Miguel.
think you bullshit. Call the police.
Or shit, your mother. Your mother.
Okay?
Oh, your mother. Your mother. That's only visitor. Or your mother.
This game plan.
Huh?
What is game plan?
Don't tell them shit, these motherfuckers.
Character time.
Character all the way. What is this bullshit? They are blocking the road here. Or shit. What is the problem here? But what is the problem? Why are you blocking the road? People are gonna hit your car.
Yeah, my hazards are on.
Or shit. This is emergency here.
What are you guys doing here?
Is this emergency?
What?
Are you on emergency call here?
No, someone called on you guys.
Or shit. Very interesting, my friend.
Okay.
Okay, my friend.
You guys need help or anything?
Whoa, my God, what are you offering, my friend? Do you have bottle of water?
Okay.
I've been walking long time, my friend.
A what?
I've been walking long time, many miles. If you have water. Or yes, my friend. You said you can help.